Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are speaking, before that, please make sure you subscribe and make sure you like and save and then share and do anything and everything. So today we're speaking about Thembisa Mdoda. Thembisa Mdoda happens to be the sister of Anele Mdoda, who is well known we TV industry na we radio industry. So usisi wakhe uThembisa Mdoda simazi ngokuthi few years ago was married to Athando Akani, who is very popular and a very well known actor, but then unfortunately ke bahlukana because uThembisa Mdoda wamqambela manga wathi ingane zakhe ama twins kanti kwangawona. So then Thembisa then had to marry another man, but we have realized the fact that ukuthi uThembisa Mdoda waba futhi our perfect wedding presenter wapsekeke emva kalokho wasiyashada ke nomfanele onqumalo after hlukane noAkani, after Akani sitholile ukuthi cha lo ubengiqambela amanga ethi ingane zami kanti akuzona semwakahle ombambisa ibhanji nje. Uthiwa ke se lo ndoda yakhe lo ugcina de eshadile esimuvile endlini yabe Fourways kahle kahle kuthiwa imuve last day yahamba uhlala ku apartment in North Cliff at the north of Joburg. Kuthiwa not just only uguy movie out, usephinde wathola a new girlfriend even though esashadile, and kuthiwa bahamathe noLim, okusho ukuthi there is definitely trouble between uMdoda noNxumalo, and sizokhuluma ukuthi uThembisa Mdoda besizibiza ngoThembisa Mdoda Nxumalo because of the fact ukuthi unomuntu wakhe. Bathi ke abangalentuzi ke abangashayi phansi bathi cha impela uNxumalo sethe nje no gede angisafuni intombi thatha uthando lakho ubeke. According to Sunday World ke bathi cha bathi bazama umfonela wavele wathi ugani khuluma ngobani ubani yena lo yini yona leyo ngazongwestela isikhathi. Hey guys, mina I don't know mangabe sengabe sekuhlukana kanjalo umuntu azagcina ukuthi nje athi who is that. I don't know what you're talking about. You can't even say this is my wife. You can't even say that's my wife. Ngiyamazi lo muntu, whatever the case it is, So looks like, and two, we must remember, uThembisa Mdoda akazwani nodadewabo uAnele Mdoda. Yep. I mean antangaza amaXhosa mengabe xabana kanjani. uThembisa ngathenda izinto zakhaya kubo. Umuntu ohamba phambili uAnele kwaba khona ungaboni ngasolinye bablockana ngisho ku social media. It's been over 3 years bengakhulumisani. So now bese nefamily yakhe ke phela uThembisa etshela ukuthi hipnanze yena le ndoda kaNxumalo esemgela kodwa Nkosi yami umntana abantu usephinde umtshingo ubani njengamanje. So yeah, this is the news that we decided to bring it to you today. Thembisa Mdoda, a former OPO presenter, has husband wakhe usemshila. Abanye bazothi kama ke ngoba phela isikhathi nayithatha amawele ewanikeza uAkani Nkosi yami caba ukukhulisa izingane ingane zakhe zokuqala ngqa uthi unezingane kanti ingane akuzona ezakhe ezomuntu othile. Uyayi ngabantu besifazane.